The universe is everything we know to exist. It encompasses all of space, time, matter, and energy. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, everything is part of this vast, interconnected cosmic web. It's all the stars, planets, galaxies, and everything in between. Our solar system, with its diverse planets and moons, is just a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Beyond our solar system, there are countless other stars, each potentially hosting their own planetary systems. It's so big that it's hard to imagine. The sheer scale of the universe is mind-boggling. If you were to travel at the speed of light, it would still take you over 4 years to reach the nearest star beyond our sun, and millions of years to traverse our galaxy. Light travels incredibly fast, but it still takes time for it to travel across the universe. The speed of light is about 299,792 kilometers per second, yet even at this incredible speed, light from distant galaxies takes millions or even billions of years to reach us. When we look at distant objects in space, we're actually seeing them as they were in the past. This is because the light from these objects has traveled vast distances to reach us, carrying with it a snapshot of the universe's history. In a way, telescopes are time machines, allowing us to peer back into the early days of the cosmos. The universe is also expanding, which means that everything in it is moving farther apart. This expansion was first observed by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, and it has profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos. The space between galaxies is stretching, causing them to move away from each other over time. This expansion has been happening ever since the Big Bang, the event that created the universe billions of years ago. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space, but rather an expansion of space itself. It marked the beginning of time and set the stage for the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. Scientists are still learning about the universe, and there are many mysteries yet to be solved. From the nature of dark matter and dark energy to the possibility of life beyond Earth, the quest for knowledge continues. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and the fundamental workings of the universe. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is a unique and fascinating world, teeming with life and natural wonders. From the vast expanses of its oceans to the towering peaks of its mountains, Earth is a planet of incredible diversity and beauty. It's a special place because it's the only planet we know of that can support life as we know it. This life-supporting capability is due to a combination of factors, including its distance from the sun, its atmosphere, and the presence of water. These elements create a delicate balance that allows a wide variety of life forms to thrive. Earth is a rocky planet with oceans, continents, and an atmosphere. The surface of Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape shaped by geological processes such as plate tectonics, erosion, and volcanic activity. These processes have created a rich tapestry of environments, from lush rainforests to arid deserts. The atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds Earth and protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. It is composed of several layers, each with its own unique characteristics. The atmosphere not only shields us from the sun's harmful rays, but also helps regulate the planet's temperature, making it habitable for a wide range of species. Earth's oceans cover most of the planet's surface. These vast bodies of water play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and weather patterns. They are also home to an incredible diversity of life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. The oceans are a vital part of Earth's ecosystem, providing food, oxygen, and other resources that are essential for life. They're home to a wide variety of plants and animals. The ocean's ecosystems are incredibly complex and interconnected, with each species playing a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the marine environment. From coral reefs to deep-sea trenches, the ocean is a world of wonder and discovery. The continents are the large land masses on Earth. These continents are constantly moving, driven by the forces of plate tectonics. Over millions of years, they have drifted apart and collided, forming the mountains, valleys, and other geological features we see today. This movement is a slow but powerful force that continues to shape the Earth's surface. The continents move slowly over time, and the climate changes as well. Climate change is a natural part of Earth's history, but human activities have accelerated this process, leading to significant impacts on the environment. Understanding these changes and their effects is crucial for protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future for all its inhabitants. Our solar system is made up of the Sun, 8 planets, and many smaller objects like asteroids and comets. The Sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas that produces light and heat. The planets orbit the Sun in a circular path. The 4 planets closest to the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are called the inner planets. They are all rocky planets. The 4 planets farthest from the Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are called the outer planets. They are all gas giants. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. It's a rocky planet with a very thin atmosphere. Because it's so close to the Sun, Mercury is incredibly hot. The surface of Mercury is covered in craters, which are formed when asteroids and comets collide with the planet. Mercury has a very short year, only 88 Earth days long. This is because it orbits the Sun very quickly. Section 5. Venus, Earth's hot twin. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition. Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface of Venus is covered in volcanoes, mountains, and plains. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. Section 6. Mars, the red planet. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, has fascinated humanity for centuries. Its distinct reddish hue, visible even from Earth, has inspired countless myths, stories, and scientific inquiries. But what makes Mars so intriguing, and why do we continue to explore it with such fervor? Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and is known as the red planet, because of its reddish appearance. This striking color is due to the iron oxide, or rust, that covers much of its surface. Unlike Earth, Mars has a very thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. This thin atmosphere means that the planet experiences extreme temperature variations, from a chilly -195 degrees Fahrenheit at the poles, to a relatively balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit at the equator during the day. The red color comes from iron oxide, or rust, in the planet's soil. This iron oxide gives Mars its characteristic hue, and is a key indicator of the planet's geological history. The presence of iron oxide suggests that Mars once had a more Earth-like environment, with liquid water and possibly even a thicker atmosphere. Over billions of years, the planet's climate changed, leading to the dry, barren landscape we see today. Mars has a thin atmosphere, and is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. This colossal volcano stands at a towering 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, similar to those found in Hawaii, and its massive size is a testament to the planet's volcanic activity in the past. The thin atmosphere on Mars also means that there is little protection from the sun's radiation, making the surface a harsh environment for any potential life forms. Mars also has evidence of past liquid water on its surface, suggesting that it may have once been habitable. Ancient river valleys, lake beds, and mineral deposits all point to a time when water flowed freely on the Martian surface. This tantalizing evidence has led scientists to speculate that Mars may have once harbored microbial life. The search for signs of past life on Mars is one of the primary goals of current and future missions to the red planet. Scientists are very interested in Mars and are sending spacecraft there to learn more about it. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are equipped with advanced scientific instruments to analyze the Martian soil, rocks, and atmosphere. These missions aim to uncover the planet's geological history, search for signs of past life, and assess the potential for future human exploration. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of Mars and our place in the universe. Some scientists believe that humans may be able to live on Mars someday. The idea of colonizing Mars has captured the imagination of people around the world. Concepts for human habitats on Mars include inflatable modules, underground bases, and even domed cities. These habitats would need to provide protection from the harsh environment, including radiation, extreme temperatures, and dust storms. While the challenges are immense, the potential rewards are equally great. Establishing a human presence on Mars could pave the way for future exploration of the solar system and beyond. The dream of living on Mars may still be far off, but each step we take brings us closer to making it a reality. Section 7. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun, and is the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant, which means it's made mostly of gas and has no solid surface. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field, and is surrounded by a system of rings. It also has dozens of moons, some of which are larger than the planet Mercury. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. It's so big that you could fit 3 Earths inside it. Section 8, Beyond Jupiter, the Outer Giants. Beyond Jupiter lie the other gas giants, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, which are made up of ice and rock. Uranus is tilted on its side, which makes it unique among the planets. Neptune is a deep blue color and has the strongest winds in the solar system. These outer planets are much larger than the inner planets and are made mostly of gas. They are also much colder than the inner planets because they are farther from the sun. Section 9, the Universe, a place of wonder. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of incredible objects and phenomena. From our home planet Earth to the farthest reaches of space, there is always something new to discover. By studying the universe, we can learn more about our place in it and the laws that govern it. As we continue to explore, we are sure to make even more amazing discoveries.